how to draw a floppy disk. Okay, please open your LibreCAD application, and then please activate some snap functions. There are free snap, snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, let you start to draw the floppy disk with a rectangle. Select a rectangle tool, left click at anywhere on your screen, and then type the dimension for the rectangle. The dimension is 98 for the horizontal and 98 for the vertical, same. Okay, go to command line form, type add 98 for the horizontal and 98 also for the vertical. Add 98, 98 and press enter. Now we got the rectangle. Right click to escape. Now use a parallel line tool to create this auxiliary lines. Select parallel line tool and type the distance. The distance is 33. Left click near the horizontal at the bottom side of our rectangle. Okay, next distance is 23. Type 23 and left click near the line we have created before. Next 33. Type 33 at the box and make sure your middle points 1 and number 1. Okay, left click near the horizontal line and then right click to escape. Oh sorry, we need parallel line tool again. Select parallel line tool and then we will create no parallel line. Sorry, select a vertical line, I think. Okay, type the length at the box. The length is 98. It's okay. Select snap point start and middle points 1. Left click at the middle of the line at the bottom side of our rectangle. Okay, right click. Now I want to create this part. Okay, parts small rectangle. The dimension is 9. Select rectangle tool, left click and then type the dimension at the command line form, add 9, 9 and press enter. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, but we need a helping line, a diagonal line. Select 2 points line, draw diagonally, manually line there. Okay, like this. Right click to escape, right click again, select the rectangle, select move or copy tool, left click at the reference point at the center of our rectangle and bring the rectangle into the position. Okay, select delete original, click OK, press ESC or escape on your keyboard. Next, the circle, the diameter of the circle is 29. So select circle center point, left click at the center of our rectangle we have created before and type the radius. The radius will be a half of 29. Go to command line form, type the radius 29 divided by 2 and press enter. Okay, now we got the circle. Right click. Okay, next I think it is a rectangle. Select rectangle tool, left click at anywhere. Okay, and then go to command line form, type the dimension. The dimension is 52. Type add 52, 33. Okay, press enter. So we got the rectangle. Select the rectangle, select move for copy tool, left click at the reference point, maybe at there. Left click and bring the rectangle into the position like this. Select delete original. Okay. Press ESC on your keyboard. Now we can delete the helping lines. We don't need they are at anymore. Okay, press delete on the keyboard. Okay, next I want to draw this part. Okay. There is a distance 5.8. Select parallel tool again. Okay, type the distance 5.8 and left click near the vertical line at the in the rectangle. Okay, right click and then create a rectangle. Select rectangle tool, left click and type the dimension for the rectangle 8.6 comma 20. Okay, and press enter. Okay, we got the rectangle for now. Okay, oh, we have distance there 5.5. Select parallel and type the distance 5.5 and left click near the horizontal line at the top of this rectangle. Okay, and bring the small rectangle into the position. Select move for copy, left click at the reference point, maybe this point, and bring into the position like this. Okay, select delete original. Okay, press ESC on your keyboard and delete the helping lines. Okay. Okay, next I want to draw this part. It is very easy. We will use tool maybe what kind of tool? Bevel. Yeah, we can use bevel. Select bevel and type the dimension 15. Okay, 15. Type 15 for the length 1, 15, length 2, 15, and mark the trim box there. Okay, left click for the first line, left click for the second line. Okay, we got the the line for now. Right click. Okay, I want to create this part. I will use fillet tool. Select fillet, and how about the okay, the radius is 5. Okay, type the radius is at the box 5 and first left click at the line for the first, left click at the second line, left click at the line. Okay, left click at the second line. Okay, next okay, right click to escape and we can delete this unnecessary line. Okay. Okay, now I think we got the image for now. But I think to complete this drawing, I want to give the dimension. Click this button at the layer and type the layer name dimension. We want to create a single layer for dimension only. Select color for the dimension, maybe dark green. Oh no, dark blue. It's okay. Select width 0.2 and select line type .t. Click OK, and then change the active layer into dimension. Okay, we start from horizontal. Select horizontal dimension left click for the first second. Okay. Oh, I think the text is big, so I want to edit the text. Select options, current drawing preferences, open tab dimensions, and for the text height change into 1.3. Okay, and then arrow size change into 1.5. Click OK. Yeah, I think it is okay. Next, for the horizontal, we got the horizontal, yeah, this rectangle. Next, horizontal, still horizontal. Okay. Okay. Now change the dimension into diametric and left click at the circle there. Okay, right click, we can move the number into the outside of the circle. Okay, next, what kind of, oh, vertical, select vertical dimension, and then okay, the big rectangle there. Okay, yes. Okay, next. Okay, next, right click to escape. Okay, oh, this part. Select dimension for radiality. Okay, left click at the arch. Okay, oh, we got the radius for now. Right click to escape. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, okay. Yes, we have finished our job for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Please subscribe to our channel to help us to improve our channel. Thank you very much. See you in next video.